Hi everyone! Today I'm super excited to color Pinkfong Wonderstar. And I've already prepared the markers I'll be using to color them. First, the yellow marker, the acid yellow marker, the red marker, the vivid pink marker, and finally, the skin-colored marker. All right, friends, are you ready for a fun coloring adventure? Let's start coloring.
Pinkfong Wonderstar, you and me together. Pinkfong Wonderstar, we're good friends forever. Hoagie and Pinkfong, best friends. We help each other every day. Smiles and hugs are what we bring. Fun and laughter, come join and sing. Pinkfong Wonderstar, you and me together. Pinkfong Wonderstar, we're good friends forever. Pinkfong Wonderstar. Hey friends, come and hear about Pinkfong, smart and dear, with Hoagie always by his side, ready for adventures far and wide. Pinkfong, Pinkfong, shining bright, with Hoagie everything's alright. Adventures in Wonderville, so fun and grand. Come join us, let's all hold hands. They have hearts so big and true, always ready to help me and you. Every problem they can solve, with magic and spirit they evolve. Pinkfong, Pinkfong, shining bright, with Hoagie everything's alright. Adventures in Wonderville, so fun and grand. Come join us, let's all hold hands. Come on friends, let's all play. With Pinkfong we'll have a great day, with songs and laughter all the way. The world is brighter, hooray, hooray. Pinkfong, Pinkfong, shining bright, with Hoagie everything's alright. Adventures in Wonderville, so fun and grand. Come join us, let's all hold hands. Pinkfong and Hoagie, best friends forever. With them around, we're lonely never. Let's sing and dance so light and free. With Pinkfong our days are filled with glee. Pinkfong and Pinkfong, shining bright, with Hoagie everything's alright. Adventures in Wonderville, so fun and grand. Come join us, let's all hold hands. Come on friends, let's all play. With Pinkfong we'll have a great day, with songs and laughter all the way. The world is brighter, hooray, hooray, hooray.